Hi, boys and girls, and welcome back to another day of Foundations. Let's get started. Let's get ready to echo. Now, boys and girls, for the last 3 units, I have been going over both the sound cards and our standard drill cards without the pictures. But now that we're moving on to Unit 4, you guys will take a moment to review the pictures, and then we'll do our drill sound warm-up without them. Take a moment to look it over. All right, boys and girls, now let's try our drill sound warm-up without the pictures. Repeat after me. A, apple, a. E, ed, eh. I, itch, eh. L, lamp, l. M, man, O, octopus, ah. U, up, X, box, WH, whistle, w. CH, chin, ch. And CK, sock, k. All right, now let's do our vowel extension sound. Are you ready? A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Hi, boys and girls. Now let's make words for decoding. Let's tap out these words. Let's take a look. They all have a bonus letter. Let's take a look at number 1, this word here. Tap it out. Did you say off, 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 off? That one only gets 2 taps, although it has 3 letters. Remember, the last letter is a bonus letter. It doesn't get tapped. Let's take a look at the second word. The second word is, tap it out and let's see, can you guess what it is? All right. Did you say mess? Mess. Mess. All right. The second word is mess. Let's take a look at the third word. Tap it out and let's see, can you get it? Take a look at the third word. All right. Did you say puff? The third word is puff. Okay. Now take a look at the fourth word. Tap it out to yourself. So can you tell what this word is? Okay. Did you say tell? Tell. The fourth word is tell. Now let's take a look at the fifth word. Tap it out to yourself. And let's see, can you find out what the word is? Did you say toss? Toss. Toss. The word is toss. All right, and let's take a look at the sixth word. Tap this one out to yourself. Okay, did you say L? L. Fell. Fell. How did you do with your decoding? Great job. Now, boys and girls, we have been practicing reading and scooping sentences. So let's take a look at this sentence. We're going to read it and then scoop the sentence. We had to mop up the mess. Now, how can I scoop up this sentence? Let's take a look. Well, we could add a scoop mark under here. We had to mop up the mess. All right, so we have our scoops down and let's read it together. Are you ready? We had to mop up the mess. We had to mop up the mess. Now, remember in our lesson last week, I said that there are more than one way to scoop a sentence. So let's take a look at another way to scoop the same sentence. All right, so here is the same sentence. Let's look at scooping it a different way. We had to mop up the mess. All right, so read it with me. We had to mop up the mess. Remember that we scoop sentences so that we can read them as larger phrases to help with our fluency. Great job, everyone. Now, boys and girls, it's your turn. Let's read and scoop the sentences. I will sit in the den with Bill. How would you scoop this sentence? Take a moment and think. All right, here is one way you could scoop this sentence. I will sit in the den with Bill. Read it with the fingers, or as the fingers move, read the sentence. I will sit in the den with Bill. Today, boys and girls, we're going to learn new trick words. Take a look at the sentence frames. Remember that the L-shaped frame at the beginning of the sentence represents a capital letter, and the smaller box at the end represents a punctuation mark. Take a look at the picture. The sentence should read, "Can you help Bill?" What kind of punctuation mark will we have for "Can you help Bill"? Let's see. Here is the sentence, "Can you help Bill?" Notice that the sentence frame in the front is the L-shaped sentence frame because we always start our sentence with a capital letter. But there's another L-shaped frame and the end of the sentence. This is because we always capitalize the names of people. So we needed two L-shaped frames here. Can you help Bill? And you should have had a question mark. Now, boys and girls, which one of these words is your new trick word? Did you say you? If you said you is correct. We spell you Y-O-U, but when you say it, or if you had to tap it out, it sounds like the letter. So this is why you is a trick word. Now, let's scoop the sentence and read. Can you help Bill? Repeat. Can you help Bill? We have to figure out which word will be our new trick word. The sentence should read, is this your dog? Is this your dog? Here is the sentence, is this your dog? Notice in the beginning we have the L-shaped sentence frame because we always start a sentence with a beginning letter. And at the end we have a question mark because we're asking a question. Is this your dog? Which one of these words do you think is your new trick word? Is this your dog? Did you say your? If you said your, this is your new trick word. There is no way you could tap out the word your and end up with Y-O-U-R. It's tricky. We can't tap this word out. Now let's scoop the sentence and read it. Is this your dog? The words you and your are your new trick words for today. These words are trick words. We cannot tap them out. They're trying to trick us. Now let's skywrite the word. Hold your arm straight as a pencil as you write the word in the sky. Are you ready? Y-O-U. Remember to stay between the plane line and the grass line, except for the letter Y. It goes down to the worm line. Now, let's skywrite the word your. Hold your arm straight as a pencil as you write the word in the sky. Y, go all the way down to the worm line. O, U, R. Your, Y-O-U-R. Boys and girls, here are your new trick words for today. It's you and your. Please write your trick words in the trick word section of your student notebook. This can be found on page 85. Write the word you and your in the Y section. Now you can press pause if you need to go get your book or to write your words in your notebook. All right, well, boys and girls, this is the end of our lesson for today. I can't wait to teach you more about foundations tomorrow. Have a great day.